Hello, welcome to the Roetell channel. Have you ever wondered where the glass bottles go after they are thrown away? Actually, the glass bottles is 100% recyclable and is getting more popular in recent years. Here in our factory, 80% of glass raw materials is called collet, which is known as recycled glass. But how can we collect, sort, and recycle? This video will show you the secret. First of all the glass bottles and jars you have thrown away will be collected by garbage station. After that, they will be separated from other recyclables if necessary. The glass is then color sorted by lasers and then crushed into small pieces. Then the collet is melted in a furnace at over 1500 degrees Celsius, together with other key ingredients. The liquid glass is then divided into cups, which can be blown or pressed into brand new bottles and jars. That's why we say glass is such a great material, because it can be recycled again and again, saves energy and raw materials, and reduce carbon dioxide, as well as reducing landfill.